Welcome back, friends. I'm so excited that you are here. We are working with fabric today, and we have these two rules, but you can use any Dollar Tree fabric or any fabric you have at home is totally fine. We're going to use two pieces of paper. I'm going to pick a green and a red just because it matches the design, but use whatever you have at home and some poster board as well. I'm going to use my scissors as well as a double-sided tape, or you can also use glue or a glue stick. I'm going to use my pencil and my glue gun. We are going to start with the red paper and we are going to mark 6 inches long ways, okay? So up on each side, making sure that we're cutting long ways. So 6 inches on each side, marking with the line and then just cutting. And then we are going to cut 1 inch off one side to make it exactly about 11 inches. We're going to do the same thing with the green paper. We're just going to mark 6 inches up, make a line, cut. And this one was already 11 inches, so we don't need to do anything. Now we're going to fold 3 inches in on one side, and then the other side just overlap 1 inch going on top of the other flap. Then using the double-sided tape, we're just going to glue to make a pocket. So add glue at the bottom and on one side, and then that way when you fold it, it's going to create a cute little pocket. You can also use, like I said earlier, glue stick or regular glue, but I find that the double-sided tape works really well. We are going to take the white poster board. We're going to mark 4.5 inches and cut. And then we're going to place that on top of the red envelope and just leaving 1/2 inch from the bottom. Then we're going to mark 1 inch on top from the envelope and make a cut. We should have 1/2 inch from the bottom and 1/2 inch on each side with about 1 inch left on the top, just like that. We are going to do the same exact thing with the green one, and we're just going to review. We are going to fold 3 inches and then fold the other side 1 inch overlapping on top using a two-sided tape to secure and make it into an envelope. Then we're going to use the same poster board we cut earlier, and we're going to trace it to make a second one. Now we're going to bring in the fabric rolls. These are from Dollar Tree, but again, you can use whatever you have at home. I'm just going to cut up a piece that's just going to be long enough to fit, and then we're going to iron it just a little bit because they were a little bit curled. This is like my little mini heat press that I use for crafting, but you can certainly use a regular iron if you'd like. I'm going to flip it upside down and we're just going to kind of freehand what will look like a little tie. I was recently on Pinterest and I saw this craft, and I'm going to have it linked down below if you want to check it out. Oh my word, it was the cutest little Father's Day greeting card. And I just thought I can totally recreate that using very inexpensive items. So once I trace a little tie or the shape of a tie, we're just going to cut it. And then we are going to trace it on top of the other fabric so that way they're both about the same size. This is going to be cards that we're going to give my husband, my 2 kids. So I'm going to make 1 card for each kid to give him. We're going to use the double-sided tape, and we're just going to glue the tie, the black and white one on top of the red, and then the other one on top of the green because it complements the design very, very nicely. Again, you can use regular glue or even Mod Podge for this part. How cute! All right, so once it's secure in place, we are going to take the white poster board. We're going to slide it right in, and you see we're going to have 1 inch on top. Then we're just going to make slits right where the envelope ends, all the way on each side until it kind of touches where the tie starts. And then we're going to fold at an angle. And then we're going to add a little bit of double-sided tape just to secure those flaps, and that way they're not going to go anywhere. And we're going to do it again on the red one to review it. How adorable is this? Oh my word. All right, so here we go again. We are going to take the white poster board. We're going to place it right inside. We're going to cut on each side just until it touches where the tie starts. Fold at an angle and add some double-sided tape or glue to secure it in place. And now you can open. You see that? How cute. And then of course you can add your personalized message right inside, and then of course place it right inside the envelope. Adorable. I love this craft. What a great idea to make for Father's Day or even a birthday, graduation. The possibilities are endless. Let me know what you think of this one, and I have another video here for you with tons more of fun crafts. Check it out. I'll see you later and have a beautiful day.